Hi beautiful people, you are watching dyaliedya, and today's video I am going to share with you my unboxing with m.ooibeauty Teeth Whitening Kit. If you are curious, m.ooibeauty Teeth Whitening Kit will not cause more sensitivity to your teeth. Their formula does not contain hydrogen peroxide and it is gentle enough to whiten your teeth without causing damage to your enamel. So as you can see, this is the sheet cards, and let's see what else we have. Here's the instructions card. The instructions are so simple and easy to follow step by step with contents and also caution on it. So here's the teeth whitening LED device, and I am going to take it out. Oh, look what I found here. This is so good. They also comes with 3 different USB converter adapter connector. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, this one is for Android, I believe, and this one you can use this on your laptop or your desktop. And the last one, yay! Okay, so this one is for iPhones, and I'm definitely going to use that. Okay, so I'm just going to see what else. There's a m.ooibeauty names on it. Wow, I really can't wait to use this. This is going to be my first time using this teeth whitening kit. And I've read like so many positive reviews from them. Okay, this is a button for you to on. Okay, they also comes with 3 2ml whitening gel pen. So I did some research on this m.ooibeauty. One of the oral living ingredients in their gel is tetrasodium pyrophosphate. This is a tartar agent, so you prevent getting those hardened stains when you don't floss or brush your teeth properly, like you're rushing and then you're rushing when you brush your teeth. Okay, so this tartar can get very unsightly and it leads to tooth decay. And so this tetrasodium pyrophosphate really proven to remove plaque and decrease the formation of tartar. Wow, it's so good, isn't it? Alright, guess what I'm doing right now? I'm just going to turn and turn. Okay. It hardly comes out because it's still new. So I need to just turn and turn and turn to let the gel comes out. Oh, okay. Can you see that? Yay! Okay, not so much. Okay, I need to save it. Alright. Okay, what I really love about this m.ooibeauty is that they are halal certified, and they are also not tested on animals and no animal byproduct. Okay, so I am going to show you a super duper quick tutorial on how I connect this device to my iPhone. So I definitely need to use the USB adapter connector to connect them. So I'm going to plug it in like this. Then I connect it to my iPhone. Don't forget to apply thin layer of the gel on your tooth surfaces before you put the mouthpiece into your mouth, and you need to bite it tightly. Then press the power button. Okay, so here's the power button. 16 minutes countdown with auto switch off. Ta-da! There you go. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.